Here is Bitget App, trade Bitcoin and crypto. So here is the app. It's a global cryptocurrency exchange app trusted by users worldwide. Sign up to get some nice bonuses. And let's just check this out. There is also AI agent which can help you out. VIP perks and yeah, 500 megabytes. It doesn't require a newer phone to use, so you can just easily install it. And then you can allow, accept, and then this is just what you see. This is your account, academy, preferences, and you can just tap get started. So that's kind of the idea, or login in here. So now you're finally in, and then you can just see how it works. There are also some rewards, I guess. You can just do like daily check-in, 3 points, identity verification, new earn users only, and then there is a promotions which you can get, and so yeah, there is also some referral program. So you need to do identity verifications, and then all invitees reach a total, get one eligible invitees in 30 days, or all invitees reach a total trading volume of 5,000 USDT within the first 30 days. So there is a premium, assist to earn, refer links, referral program, but basically here is just invite link, the basic which you can just use. And that's kind of the referral code which you can use in here. So for example, that's what you're having. You can also just scan it here. So that's what it is.